Silver is a safe haven investment, a hard asset, and a store of value as an alternative currency to fiat currencies such as the US dollar or euro. Silver, along with gold, can be referred to as the ultimate form of money, as it cannot be simply created and depreciated like paper or digital forms. With market crashes and volatility surrounding practically every investor and investment at the moment during the coronavirus crisis, silver has never been more undervalued compared to gold. While all metals are a great way to diversify your portfolio, silver is a favorite for opportunity-seeking investors. With its industrial applications skyrocketing, and with the recent major sell-off promising a mighty bull run, silver is used in nearly every major industry, from electronics and medical applications to batteries and solar panels. Silver is everywhere. Whether you see it or not, you don't go a single day without using a product that contains silver, including your cell phone. Of all the elements, silver is the indispensable metal. It is the most thermally conductive, electrically conductive, and is highly reflective. Modern life, as we know it, would not exist without silver. And supply is about to fall. One area that has been dramatically cut is the exploration and development of new silver mines. Low prices have also affected how much scrap metal is available, all of which is starting to have an impact on the total supply. If demand stays at current levels, it will already be difficult for everyone who wants silver to get as much as they need. But demand is growing. This kind of demand doesn't happen in a vacuum. Sooner or later, there will be consequences when surges in demand meet a crippled supply. And all those consequences will be positive if you own the metal. Now is the perfect time to contact Noble Gold Investments to secure your share of silver and precious metals.